6 months later. Wow! There is. What's going on, guys, and welcome to a new video for Stick. And today, I just want to start off by saying thank you to everybody that's been showing the comments, the motivation, and that's been helping this channel, with us moving forward and having faith with remove some of the cars that we've got so we can work on our project cars. So we've actually got some space now. We've got some space for some cars that we can finally get the Skyline out. Just gonna show you guys. It's gonna be coming out soon. How long has it been? 6 months since this car started. I'd be shocked if it starts up.
Why are you crying?
Come on, baby. Whoa, shop up.
6 months later, this is how it's gonna sound. Okay, right. Let's bring out the rocket. Skidding as I'm coming out of here. We're doing it a long time. We're still in February. It has to be worth it. Good to go. Yeah. That's what we wanted. Wow. Look at it. It handles like a dream. It's been a long time waiting. And by the will of the Almighty, we are on the road. Alhamdulillah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow, this is crazy, right? Wow! Oh my God! Wow! It wants to be like, you should have drove me, otherwise I'm gonna take you off the road. Jeez. Whoa, I'm not racing anybody today. I'm not racing anybody. Oh, jeez. Racing anybody. Oh, jeez. By the way, that was, I'd say, low boosts 650. Let's turn that off, because I think it's a bit too rowdy for this. The road feels proper slippery. There's a lot of temperamental things happening in the car, It keeps flickering, the rev light. This keeps on dropping on the floor. Yeah, look at it, like shaking, that light there. Definitely getting a new battery for this. Let's fuel up. Well, we couldn't wait another couple of months for the weather to get better. Come on. Drop a comment down below if I should do a £10 miles per gallon video on this car in there. Okay, let's go. Car drives so far so good. There's not much problems. Oh, again. Oh. See if there's any fuel leaks in the car after that long drive. Oil pressure is good, no leaks whatsoever. Smells nice. Look at that. That is so good. Oh man, I could sit here all day and just look at the Skyline. That's enough now. Let's get her in.